Good day, everybody. And welcome to this new video. Last video, I installed the wooden frames inside the metal structure of the Sekisui house. This time, I'm putting the windows from the outside, and then I have to put the window sills on the inside, and then I have to pack it around to hold it in place, and after insulate it, and then I can put the drywall against the window sills. All right, let's get started. So now what I have to do is to install the moldings that go inside here. So they are attached here with screws, and then on the wall here from behind. That's why I left this gap here. But so there's gonna have need some packing there, and it's all gonna be different sizes. So that's gonna be the frustrating part. All right, let's go and buy that material. Okay, I'm just checking to make sure my cut is right, and it looks quite good. Yes, that's good. Okay, so let's cut the other two. Alright, so all the packing is done. So I forgot a little bit there, and also the installation. And so it's done. So it took about twice as long to do the packing as it did to do all the sills, because there's each one is almost no two that are the same, so I have to make each one custom made for the size, so it's a bit of a pain, but it's done. So I'm going to finish the drywall today and maybe start on the closet there. First I have to make a frame for the doors, so that'll be the first step I should say. All right, it's coming along. All right, so this is what the windows and the sills look like after they are finished. And so the sill sticks out about 1.5 centimeter, and you can see that the wall is about 15 centimeter thick. Yeah, the metal frame is 6 centimeters, and then there's a 2x4 which is 9 centimeters, and then 1 centimeter drywall, so about 15, I guess 16, right? And another window here, and you can see the same thing here. That's what it looks like. Much warmer and also much quieter, so you can see the highway is just over there, and before it was so noisy. Now you can't hear the cars. And the next project will be this, to put a railing around the stairwell.